Once your VM33 cameras are all set up and connected, we'll introduce you to the NearStream app. Let's do a quick tour of the main screen. Up top, we have the Live and Record button. Once your cameras are prepared, tap on the Live button to set up event. Or, tap the Rec button to record the stream to your device or an SD card, according to your need. The gear icon on the upper right corner allows you to change the camera input quality according to the speed and coverage of your network while using. Here's the program monitor. This shows us what's being broadcast into the stream or recorded. Below that, we've got camera feeds for each one of your VM33 cameras. The purple frame shows which one is being pushed into the stream or recording. You can switch between angles easily by tapping a camera feed. Tap on the three dots to control each VM33 in depth. You can adjust camera image here. In this demo, we're going to show you several functions. By adjusting the contrast, you can adjust the overall lightness and darkness of the image captured by VM33. Press the plus button on the left of Program Monitor to zoom in. In the same way, press the minus button to zoom out. It may take several seconds for the picture to focus. By adjusting the brightness, you can adjust the degree of light when shooting indoors in low light, just as we do here. HDR mode can optimize the display of more details and further enhances the contrast of the picture for stunning visual impact, as you can see here. By toggling on the mirror button, you can change the horizontal orientation of the screen. Back to tap on the three dots. You can navigate each VM33's settings here. You can choose to set a password for VM33, so unwanted access won't interrupt your shooting. For remote control, you can restore the camera's factory settings, or shut it down here. Today, we've covered lots of details about the NearStream app. In the next video, we'll cover recording with VM33. See you there! Visit us at nearstream.us to learn more.